Teacher Tips, I've got a super quick tip for you today, and it's how to turn your iPad into a teleprompter. Now you might be wondering why I would want this. Well, for a couple reasons. If you're doing the morning news with your kids, if you're making videos with your kids, if they're doing some sort of newscast using video in the classroom, this would be a great way for them to type out their script and then have it like a teleprompter. You could also use it to do reading logs with your kids. If you're having them practice reading at different speeds, you can have the story and then increase the speed as they read it to see if they can increase their reading speed word per minute. All right, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get your iPad and you're going to want to open a Word document. As you can see, here's my iPad. As you can see, I've just got a blank Word document open with some text. Now, I just copied and pasted the 3 little bears in here, Goldilocks and the 3 little bears. You can have any text that you wanted in here. The kids' writing doesn't matter. So I've got the writing. Now, up here at the top right corner, I've got the 3 dots. If you'll click that, you'll see a button right here that says Presenter Mode. When I click that, it's going to go into a black screen with text, okay? Up here at the top right, you see a capital A and a lowercase a. If I click that, these are my settings. I can increase the text size, decrease the text size. I can change the color of the background. I can change the font and how fast it's going to scroll. Now make sure that you click auto scroll right here. Okay, so I've got it clicked auto scroll and maybe I'll do it about mid speed. Okay, it'll start as soon as I click the screen. So right now you can see all the things. As soon as I touch the screen, there it goes. It's scrolling up the screen. So kids could be, once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. She was. Okay, and then I click and it stops. So if you're doing a video with the kids, this could be underneath the camera and they could have that scrolling text. Or when they're doing their reading logs, I could speed it up to be really fast to see if they're able to read at a quicker speed. And again, if I increase the font size, that means the words are going to be going faster because there's less words on the screen. Hope you found that helpful. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to find some great uses for that in your classroom. See you next time.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.